Are you looking for the best car sun visors in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car sun visors that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Guard Car Sun Visor. This is a polarized car sun visor that will shield you from UV and UV radiation and will protect your eyes, helping you drive in the scorching summer season when the sun is as bright as ever. The visor screen is made from high-quality acrylic with 10% optical transmissibility for providing a clear and unobstructed view of the road. Its built-in clips are made from aluminum to resist deforming in high temperatures and enable you to install them effortlessly on existing car visors. Velcro straps are also present to prevent unexpected openings of the visor screen. Up next in the 4th place is the Ezzy Car Sun Visor. This pocket-friendly car sun visor is made for cars without a sunroof. It is made of plastic and cloth for enhanced durability and longevity. The beige color of this visor will match most car interiors, so you don't have to worry about any mismatches. The visor can be aligned perfectly with your line of vision to block the sun's rays without obstructing your view while driving. It also has a small mirror with which you can touch up your makeup or hair. Additionally, it comes with a small belt capable of holding documents, cards, sunglasses, and other similar items. The cost of this car sun visor combined with its quality makes it our value for money choice. The 3rd product on our list is the Nakuuly Car Sun Visor. This sun visor will help you drive without needing to squint your eyes due to sunlight. It works as a direct replacement for your worn-out car visor, so you won't be at any additional risk while driving the car on sunny days. This visor is made with plastic coated with gray-colored fabric to perfectly match the car interiors and ensure that it can last for a long time. Additionally, it comes with a cosmetic mirror and flips cover to protect the glass surface from scratches, spots, and more. Its dimensions are ideal for blocking the sun rays from all angles and helping you drive the car comfortably. It comes with visor clips for hassle-free and quick installation, which is one of the main reasons why this is our best pick for the best OEM Civic replacement. 2nd on our list is the Dasbecan Car Sun Visor. This car sun visor is made to fit the Toyota RAV4 from 2006 to 2013 models and greatly resembles the OEM visor. It is made from a high-quality, durable material that is the same used for the interior of the car, so it can be safe from scratches, spot marks, loose seams, and other such issues. Additionally, its fabric has a gray color to complement the car cabin's interior. Furthermore, it features a cosmetic mirror with a sliding cover so that the glass surface can stay spotless, while enabling you to glance at your reflection. As you slide this cover to reveal the mirror, the vanity light will automatically turn on. The robust build of this car sun visor makes it our heavy-duty pick on this list. Finally, the top product on our list is the Nakuuly Car Sun Visor. This car sun visor offers you eye protection from solar flares and harmful UV radiations. It is made from cotton-reinforced ABS plastic that is light and strong, ensuring that the product lasts for a long time. Its shaft is built to fit the original car slot for hassle-free installation and better stability from rumbling and vibrations. It comes with a small mirror that allows you to have a quick look at yourself before stepping out of the car. Additionally, the vanity mirror light will help you check your reflection easily when it is dark. The high-quality build and features of this car sun visor make it an honorable mention on our list. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.